Ladies and gentlemen, we are live in southern West Virginia, McDowell County, and here we go, round two. Here we go again. Another snowstorm for my area and all across the state of West Virginia. I see they saying anywhere from 4 to 6 inches of snow. That might be more, maybe more than that, but then again, who knows? But as you can see, you can't see it because it's dark. Yeah, it's real dark, but you can see the snowflakes flying behind, over in front of that light. And I see. Look like we're gonna get some fresh coating of snow by Saturday morning. I see I see we're gonna be in another into another mess of snow again. I'll check back with you in the morning. But in the meantime, enjoy this video on YouTube. Hopefully, we'll get some views of it. Yes, as you can see, the sidewalk is clear right now, but it'll be snow covered by morning, and it's going to get worse overnight. So, and that's all I have for you for tonight. I'll I'll be back in the morning to record part two of the of the snowfall. Y'all have a good night. Thank you, and good night.